Today I'm going to show you how to make a nice carbon fibre tag. Stay tuned. Right, the next job we're doing is a carbon fibre tag to go on the engine cover for a Renault Clio. The customer's put a supercharger on a Clio RS, so he wants a nice custom carbon fibre tag to just go on top of the engine. So he sent me a sketch with a few dimensions on and just some wording on what he wants to look like. So in this video it'll be more of you watching a screen capture, like a screen recording, as opposed to watching me, if you like. You'll see how I start drawing up the tag, then creating G-code, then going over to the CNC machine, machining then what I've created onto that piece of carbon, then adding the paint, polishing it up and getting it ready to dispatch to the customer. So you'll see it from start to finish, so I hope you enjoy it. Cheers. Right, so we've drawn it up now with all the text on it. We've got the program done. The G-code's all written, so now it's time to get the material ready for machining. So I've got it's an off-cut piece of carbon fibre here. It's nothing special, just a pretty strong piece of glossy on both sides carbon fibre. And the machine's ready to go. So all we've got to do now is put a bit of double-sided tape onto this, and then we can get it stuck down onto the bed. So now what we're going to do is just get it just slapped on the bed there. Try and get it as square as we can to the X and Y axis, because we don't want to be wasting material. I'm just going to place this on there like that. Right, I'm just going to leave that to literally just to settle. In the meantime, on our software package now, we can navigate to our file and import the G-code program in. So we go to import G-code, CNC projects. Clio engine tab. Right, we can see that currently that's the wrong orientation, so I'm just going to rotate the program. Wrong axis. Right, so now we've got that program all set up, it's ready to go. We've got the 0 point there, but we need to make the machine have its 0 points onto the bottom corner here. So first of all, I'm just going to jog the machine back and quickly home it. The machine is just getting its axis so it knows exactly where it is. Right. So if I jog this now to the bottom corner of this carbon, that's where it's going to be. Where it's this point here, that's what I want to have the corner of the carbon. At the moment, the machine thinks it's already there, but it's not, so just got to move it over. Just drop it down a touch. That's it, set work coordinates to 0, so those figures should now change. So it's saying that's the corner, and I know I'm on the corner of the material there. So if I jog it to the furthest point to the left, just to make sure that it's going to stay on the material. Yeah, we're well on the material there. Do a double check on the length, so I'll jog it all the way up to past the tallest point. Just there, and again we can see we're still loads of material left, so that's fine. We'll just move it back to the start. One thing we've got to do is do the level on it. So we've done the X and Y axis, we need to do the Z now, so it knows exactly where the top surface of the carbon is. Excuse me, so I'm just going to get my level probe into it. And that's just trying to work out exactly where the top of the carbon is. Right, so we can now get the program started. So right, so that's the machine all done. Took just over an hour, and here's the results. It's a lovely finish. So what we've got to do now is just start mixing some paint and start adding it into the engravings. Right, so that's the 2-pack paint mixed up, and it's just been flowed into each of the engravings. With it being 2-pack paint, it is going to sink, so it's going to be 2 applications of this, so this is going to take another day to go off. then tomorrow we'll have to just put some more, give it a bit of a quick sand, then we'll put some more paint on it. So that'll do it for now. Right, so the paint's all been flowed in into all the engravings now. I've just dressed it up with a bit of 800 grit sandpaper, and this is pretty much ready for top coat now. It's just a little bit of where the paint sunk on that corner, so I'm just going to put a little bit more paint in there. And as soon as that's gone off, then be straight on with the top coat, and then that'll be ready to send out. So it's nearly there. Right, so I've finished putting all the paint into the engravings, and this is what we ended up with. So it's a nice finish. So now what we need to do now is just get a bit of top coat on it. Just going to give it like a light dusting. I'm using some Simmons clear acrylic lacquer. That's it, job done. Just let that go off, and then hopefully that'll be ready to send out. Right, the top coat's now cured, so now it's just time to give it a nice little polish. That's it, all done. A lovely finish to it now, mega shiny. That's ready to be sent out. Well, that's the end of the short video. I hope you liked it. Just to reiterate that it's all these tags are done from scratch, and the design is completely done bespoke to whatever the customer wants. So if you like the content in this video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you real soon in the next video. Thanks for watching.